Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve Geek for Geeks problem day 8, and the problem is stock buy and sell, maximum one transaction allowed. So yesterday we solved the question stock buy and sell where multiple transaction was allowed, right? But in this question there is just one transaction is allowed, and the question difficulty level is easy. So let's see the problem. Given an array of length n representing the prices of the stock on different days, the task is to find the maximum profit possible by buying and selling the stocks on different days when at most one transaction is allowed. Here, one transaction means one buy plus one sell. If it is not possible to make a profit, then we have to return the zero. There is a note: stock must be bought before being sold. What does it mean? Let's break down the problem. So we have a given array where we have given a stock prices, like on day 0 it will be 7, 10. Let's copy this: 7, 10, 1. So we have an array containing 7, 10, 1, and let's see what other elements: 3, 6, 9, 2. 3, 6, 9, 2. Okay, so this is like day 1, and this is day 2, right? Day 1, day 2, day 3, and day 4, 5, 6, 7, right? And their index is like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So uh, the condition is only one transaction is allowed. That means just one buy and one sell, right? So on day first, like day one is the stock price 7, and on day 2 is 10, and on day 3 is 1. So 3692. So what is the possible combination where the maximum profit we will gain, right? When we will buy uh, and when we will sell the stock price, right? So we will buy stock price like where the minimum stock price is, right? So here let's So here that one is our the minimum stock price, right? So if we will buy at day 3 and 369, and here is 9 is the maximum on day 6, right? Here is 10 also. Let's On day 2 the stock price is the maximum 10, but there is a condition: when we buy our stock, that will be the minimum, and when we sell, that will be the maximum, but we can't sell the price before buying, right? So if we are buying on day 3, then we can't sell on day 2. So we can sell only day 4, day 5, day 6, and day 7, right? So this will be the discard one, right? So day 3 we will buy, and day 9 we will sell. If Then what will be the profit? The profit will be 8, right? If we will minus, like when we will buy, if day 3 stock price is 1, and we will sell day 4, 3 minus 1 is 2. So 3 minus 1 is 2, this is not the maximum. And 6 minus 3, this will be 3. And if we'll see 6 minus 1, that will be 5 only. 9 minus 6, that will be 3. 9 minus 1, that will be 8. And like this, if we 2 minus 1, that be 1, right? So what so what is the maximum profit? This one is the problem. So this pair, if we will buy at day 2, sorry, day 3, uh, the cost is the stock price cost is 1, and if we will sell on day 6, that is day 5 basically. So the stock will price is here 9. If we will sell this stock price, so we will get the maximum profit here, right? So how we are going to approach this problem? Basically, we will consider our maximum profit is, suppose maximum profit is the first day, that is a d1. Okay, on d1, and then again we will traverse the whole array and we will check what is the minimum value where we buy. Then we will check again what is the maximum value through to after buying, right? What will be the maximum value? So we will calculate that profit maximum value minus minimum value, and we will get the maximum profit. Okay, so let's implement in the code. And like this, we can see here in this second example 76431, because this is in decreasing order. We can see like 76431. If we will buy any day, then we can't sell. Here is the price are decreasing order, hence we will buy any, then we cannot sell it greater price, hence the answer will be 0. And in this scenario 1369, if you have a increasing inputs, increasing stock prices like 136911, then what will be the like maximum value? If we buy at 1 and this is the maximum value, this is the minimum value, we will just subtract this one. So since the array is sorted in increasing order, we can make maximum profit by buying at price 0 and selling at price n minus 1. So these two problems are sorted. And what we need to care about the expected complexities. Time complexity should be in order 1, and auxiliary space should be taken by just order 1. So let's implement. Let's suppose what will the minimum. So for, just take a variable, that is the our price is 0. That means day first we are going to buy. Okay, then we will traverse the array for I in range 1. Why I'm taking 1 here? Because we already consider that day 0 is our already the will be the minimum stock price. Okay, then range and length of prices. Okay, now we will whenever we will get the minimum value, then we will update our minimum so for variable. Okay, so how we will can calculate minimum value? We can use minimum so for is equal to, we can take the minimum of, and this minimum so far, and our prices of I. So every time this whenever I will be iterate over the price array, so every time we will calculate this minimum so far and this price stock. So we will calculate the whatever the minimum value, then this value will be updated. Then if we will get the minimum so far, so we will let's consider our maximum profit is variable. Maximum profit is initially 0. Okay, so maximum profit is equal to, like this we can calculate maximum and max profit and prices. That means we are searching for maximum stock price. So how can we calculate? We will take the first initially initialize with 0, a maximum profit. So we will calculate that maximum profit and the another element, right? And then we will do the minus minimum so far. Then again we can return our max profit. So here how we are calculating our maximum profit. So basically whatever the result we initialize it with the maximum profit variable with initialization of 0. Okay. So first we will iterate on day 2. So if we it goes from day 2 and that minimum value, this one, right? So this value and this value, whatever will be the maximum value, then we will update the maximum profit. Let's compile and run. Max profit. Okay, so P in uppercase. Object is not subs. Okay, sorry guys. This will be the round bracket. Yeah. So your output is also 5 and expected is also 5. So that is the expected one for this input only. If we will buy on second day with stock price 1, and if we will buy on day 4, 6, so 6 minus 1 is the best possible case where our maximum profit will be occur. That is the value 5, right? So I hope you understand the question along with the code implementation. I will see you the next video, and uh, keep watching, keep learning, and keep going. Thank you.